Hello, hello, hello. Today I'm going to tell you all a secret which everyone tells ki karna hai, but they don't tell how exactly and what has to be done. If you're trying to conceive, everybody is going to tell you stress mat lo, khush raho, stay happy and sambandh banaye rakho. Even the doctors are going to tell you stress mat lo, be happy. So what is this being happy exactly is? Here listen to this happy me formula and then reflect on whatever I am saying. So let me tell you what is this happy me formula. H which stands for healing and being happy. Healing also the emotional or subconscious blockages which might just be blocking your pregnancy. So healing and being happy by doing things all that you love to do. That's what is going to make you happy by healing. A is the atmosphere. Atmosphere for you and for your future baby. For your future baby, the atmosphere is your womb, and for you, the atmosphere is your body and your environment. So, nurturing it and nourishing it is very important. P is the power of words and also positivity. What do you keep saying to yourself? What you believe is something which you're going to achieve, and what you keep saying, that's what you're going to be. So if you are saying कि नहीं मुझे अभी तक नहीं चाहिए बच्चा, though you want it, or you're saying कि I have low AMH or irregular menses, I have a lot of problems, then that is what is going to come true for you. Which goal which you want to achieve, and start saying all the words for you to achieve your goal of motherhood. Keep saying to yourself that yes, I trust in the wisdom of my body to conceive naturally. I am open and ready to receive the blessings of universe to become a mother very soon. So use beautiful words for yourself that yes, I am fertile and my ovums are fertile and ready to receive the best sperm. Yes, and see the magic after you change your words. So next P is all about pleasure and patience. Pleasure, which is so important not just for self but also your relationship with your spouse. So are you doing sex as a core कि करना है, or are you actually enjoying it? Because intimacy is not just about intercourse. It is a big topic of emotional intimacy, intellectual intimacy, spiritual intimacy, and also physical intimacy. So intimacy is not something you do once or is not just about sex. It is a big connection with you and your spouse. Yes, for this we have a 21-day love ignition challenge which you can enroll in and reconnect with your spouse on a very deep level. So the next P is patience, which you need in your journey. Trusting the universe, your body's wisdom, and actually having a lot of patience, because this patience is much more needed when you actually have the child with you and you're playing with your child and growing that up as a human being. So start being patient now itself. The next letter is Y. Y, which means you. Make yourself a priority. Y, which stands for you. Making yourself a priority. Now, if you want to achieve any goal, it can be being, cracking some exam to anything. Then you're going to focus on achieving that goal. So if there are things which are coming in place, like you want to prepare for engineering, you are going to dedicate some time daily so that you are able to prepare. So now when you want to become a mom, it is high time that you start dedicating those few months towards your goal. So preconception is a journey wherein you are preparing your body, mind and soul to create that magic in your womb. So making yourself a priority to step into this role of motherhood is so very important. Yes, so this is the happy and me, M and E. M, which stands for mindset, which is very important. You need to reset your mindset and love is the most important value for creation. So, keeping your heart open to endless possibilities, resetting your mindset so that you become a mother very soon is very important. And also, E is to evolve. We are all going through life. It is very important that we start growing through life. Life is not just about going, but also of growing. So get ready to evolve and step into this role of motherhood and see the magic which happens once you start aligning yourself, your energies, mind, body, soul alignment. And come join in our Mom Academia community. Hi, I am a mindful Mama Maker coach, Purva Pavan. So come join our community and let's connect on a one-on-one call, and then you can check out all the programs we have for preconception and also reigniting the sparks in your relationship. Come book a one-on-one call and like, subscribe and share. Plus, save this video if you love this and forward it to all the women who are looking out to be moms and stepping into their roles of being a mother,